How are we all doing today? So this is my initial review of the CXRacing K04. Everything from here over is stuff that I bought. From this way over is stuff that came with the kit. CXRacing has this K04 with the internal wastegate listed on their website, $250 plus shipping. I am a subscriber to Jimmy Oaks. I used his discount code, which is Jimmy O. Shipping was about $29, somewhere around there, from their place to my house in Schenectady, New York. After using Jimmy's discount code, that dropped the price down to $240 and some odd cents. I don't have the exact amount. So here's my initial thoughts on the turbo. You get the hose for the wastegate, instructions, 2 gaskets. The condition seems pretty good. You can see no shaft play, which should be expected with a new turbo. Spins nicely. Get you guys in there a little bit. It seems to be a pretty good quality turbo. There was one review on there. A gentleman had done a review. I think he said he had about 30,000 miles on his build. Running about 18 psi. He said the big thing was just getting it lubricated, getting everything set up properly. So he said he's had 30,000 miles. Turbo's still in great shape. So for $240, why not? So moving on. This is the stuff. I will have link in the description to where I got the stuff. This is the stuff I felt the need to buy. This is if you were to just bolt into the car, run it on a factory tune, factory injectors. This is just what you need to do to get it going. As you can see, I'm using the ECS tuning box on the table just to kind of keep things a little clean. So this is a 034 Motorsports silicone inlet tube. It was about $180 free shipping through ECS. You need to run one of these because your stock inlet hose is smaller than this. The K04 has a 2-inch inlet, so you have to run this, and it's not a bad upgrade to do. I bought all this. As you can see, it didn't come with the kit. All new hardware, all new gaskets. These clamps here are for the inlet hose. This was like, I think $50. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to. There we go. Sorry about that. I'll put a link in the description to where I got everything. But as you can see, we didn't get gaskets, and I'm gonna probably end up using these instead. Not that the CXRacing is bad, but I mean, this is stuff designed to run for a Borg Warner K04 or the Franken Turbo, the F21. So you got your manifold gasket, which is there. This one's your downpipe or cat gasket. 3 new bolts for the manifold, your studs, your nuts. So I mean, that's about $50. So I mean, you do the math quick. 180, 50, and then 240 for the turbo. This will be going into a 2001 Audi A4 1.8T Quattro. I'm not sure other applications. You might be able to run this in a B6 car, which is 2002 to, I forget when the year cuts off. We plan on running different injectors, doing a couple things. I'm shooting for, I want to do it under 20 psi for now. But the way I'm planning to build the car is my daily driver. The way I'm planning to build the car is just have everything set so that if this little guy blows, all I got to do is just buy another turbo. I'm curious to see how this does. I looked around on YouTube. I didn't really see a whole lot of reviews on the K04, so I figured I'd post one up. The turbo should be going in the car in the next week or two. My buddy Nick, Amdisthebest, put a link to his channel in the description. We'll be doing the tuning on the car, so we'll see how that goes. But for $240 seemed like a good risk. We'll try it out. Hopefully it lasts. This is just to replace my blown. I have a K03 in the car stock right now, and this whole face is just covered in oil. It's blown. So hopefully this is a good little replacement, and I will keep you guys updated on how the car comes out, and we'll try to get some videos of the car running and boosting. And I do need to get a boost gauge for the car, and once it's tuned and running, I'll give you guys a review on my thoughts of the turbo. But here's my initial thoughts. If you guys like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.